What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can install Android Studio on Ubuntu 24.04 Linux operating system. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to open up any of your browser, then search on Google Android Studio, then go to this first link, then click on download Android Studio Panda 2, scroll down, accept the license agreement and click on this button, and it should start downloading a zip file for Android Studio. I had already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. After downloading, go to your downloads folder, and here you will get a zip file. So right click on it and open the terminal, then type here tar-xzvf, then the Android zip file name, then press enter, and it's going to extract the Android installer zip file on your Linux machine. It's gonna take a while, so you have to wait until the extraction get completed. Okay, when the extraction get completed, open up Android Studio folder, then go to bin folder, and here you will get a bash script studio.sh. Open up your terminal here, then type here ls, and now we have to execute this studio.sh bash script. So type here sudo /, then the script name studio.sh, then press enter, then give your root password and press enter. Now it's going to open up the Android Studio installer. Click on don't send, and here is the Android Studio setup wizard. From here, click on next, select the standard option, click on next, then next, then accept the license agreement, click on next, then again next, and it should start downloading all the recommended files to install the Android Studio on your Linux machine. It's gonna also take a while, so you have to wait until the downloading get completed. Okay, so guys, where you will see Android virtual device medium phone was successfully created, click on finish. Then it should come up with the welcome Android Studio option. Now from here you can easily start creating Android application. Click on new project, select your activity, any of this, click on next, finish, and guys, here you can see Android Studio is started on our Linux machine. Now you can start coding on Android Studio for Android app development. So guys, like this you can easily install Android Studio on your Ubuntu Linux operating system. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.